happening, my dudes? We have the Volvo Diff in the back of the Chevy today. The other welded Diff, that's the open, well it's LSD, but the other Volvo Diff. We have the welded and now kind of broken Diff in here. Let's go on in. Got the Diff all set up here. And I try to trim off all the welds that were just like broken and easy to get off. And it's looking pretty good. And now Steven over here, the professional welder man.
Dude, not even close, dude. This thing's got me fucked up.
This is like brand new. Yeah, this welder is
serious. It hasn't even been used before.
Yeah, we're gonna break it in.
We're gonna break in this brand new fancy welder. This welder's pretty legit. Steven, do you think this one will penetrate? If this doesn't penetrate, it's a problem.
As long as I'm behind the wheel, it'll penetrate. These things are actually made by Miller, so like they actually don't suck.
They're pretty legit. Yeah, it is a Cornwall. This is exciting. So we're gonna plate the crap out of this, and hopefully this time it doesn't grenade. Looking really clean though. The welder is ready to rock and roll, and Cody's cutting another piece of metal. Nice. Because this time we're gonna plate this beast. No loose ends here. We're gonna just make sure this thing is solid, make sure it's ready for the drift event, and the plate that we have in there is pretty much perfect. I mean, we'll weld that up. This welder is redonk, so it lays some seriously nice beads. It is that time.
A map gas torch or anything?
I don't know. Cody, do we have a map gas torch or anything? Why, do you want to heat it up first? Or
yeah.
Oh, you want to and burn the brake clean off?
Heat up the gears and burn all the shit out of it.
That's all I get for right now. Wait on the other one.
That's pathetic, but okay. We can get that shit on fire.
I don't need a mask right now. The camera is my mask.
It's trying to be nice.
Thank you, sir.
We got a little pilot fire going right here.
A little nice. Keep it warm.
Come on.
Keep us hot.
Keeps going out.
Our pilot fire. Ew, it smells terrible.
Yeah.
Even the sounds are better. Look at that beautiful penetration. Will we hold the light?
I'm gonna turn my gas down a little bit.
Looking much better than when I had done it.
You show them the other side yet?
I think I did. I'm not sure. They'll see the final product. It looks good.
These spiders are never gonna be seen by man again.
Steven, how do you feel with your first welded Diff? Your first time welding your Diff?
I feel pretty accomplished, not gonna lie. I might blog it later, I'm not sure.
Guys, Steven did like the most beautiful job ever. And now I'm super excited to put this back in because there is no way in hell that this is ever gonna break. This Diff will probably crack in half, shoot out the car, go to the moon before it ever breaks in that department again.
Dude, this thing's gonna lock up and completely like just fucking take out the back hatch before it.
I hope to God it breaks right when you put it in.
I hope it doesn't. Thanks, Jimmy. Thanks.
Falls
Look
right
at
apart.
this. It's just so beautiful.
Are you going to Thompson this weekend?
Saturday, yeah.
Wanna go?
Saturday? I'm working a double, motherfucker.
Damn.
Yeah.
Can't come skid tires off with us?
No, I totally would too, because it's gonna be like 70.
It's gonna be nice.
I didn't take time off to go to the drag strip on Friday, so I can't.
Yeah. Well, yeah, so all I have to do now is clean this up with some brake clean. Not right now, it's 1,000,000 degrees. And then we're gonna bring it to my house, and I need to clean up the gaskets again, put a new gasket on there, and run some gear oil through it and clean it up and get it ready. But all in all, dudes, I'm super excited. So let's get to my house. Yeah, let's do that. Loaded up. The Diff family is in here again. We made it home. The Volvo's sitting here in the dark. We got the Diffs in the garage already. Cody's heading out for the night. Alright dudes, I'm gonna send it inside. I'm gonna have to clean. Sounds good, I hope you heard that. But I'm gonna send it inside. I have to clean the Diffs up tomorrow. And we're gonna put it back in because the event is super soon. So stay tuned because we're gonna be slaying tire. Peace!
Why self-life? We got London on the track.